Welcome to Power Apps in 5 Minutes with AGMP Consulting, where we explore how to revolutionize your business processes. What if I told you that you can build powerful applications without writing a single line of code? That's the incredible promise of Microsoft Power Apps, a platform designed to empower innovation. In the next 5 minutes, we'll break down exactly what Power Apps is and how it functions. We'll also reveal how AGMP Consulting can help your organization unlock its full potential with this transformative technology. Power Apps is Microsoft's leading low-code development platform, simplifying app creation for everyone. Think of it as Lego blocks for applications. You simply drag, drop, and connect components to create robust business apps. These applications can run seamlessly on web browsers, mobile devices, or even directly inside Microsoft Teams. It's an integral part of the broader Power Platform family, alongside Power BI, Power Automate, and Power Virtual Agents. At AGMP Consulting, we specialize in tailoring these powerful tools to your organization's unique needs. This ensures you don't just get an app, but a comprehensive business solution that perfectly fits your workflow. Let's delve into some of the key features that make Power Apps so versatile and powerful. First, Canvas apps. Start with a blank canvas and design your app's interface just like you would a PowerPoint slide. Connect it to various data sources and add controls for buttons, forms, or galleries to bring your vision to life. AGMP Consulting helps you accelerate this process with our proven best practices and pre-built templates. Next, model-driven apps. These are built on top of Microsoft Dataverse, ideal for structured business processes. They're perfect for scenarios like customer service management or detailed sales tracking. Our consultants can help you map complex business processes directly into model-driven apps, saving months of traditional development time. Power Apps offers extensive data integration, connecting to over 400 diverse data sources. These include Excel, SharePoint, SQL, Dynamics 365, Salesforce, and even custom APIs. At AGMP, we design secure and seamless integrations, ensuring your data is always accessible and properly governed. Finally, AI Builder. Want to add intelligence to your apps without writing any code? With AI Builder, you can easily incorporate features like object detection or sentiment analysis. AGMP Consulting helps organizations deploy AI models responsibly, aligning with compliance and business outcomes. Let's explore some real-world use cases where Power Apps truly makes a difference. Imagine your HR team creating a leave request app in a single afternoon, streamlining their processes. AGMP guides security and compliance in the background, ensuring everything is handled correctly. Consider field engineers capturing inspection data on mobile devices instead of cumbersome paper forms. AGMP ensures this critical data flows securely into your central systems, maintaining data integrity. Picture sales teams accessing vital client information offline while traveling, boosting their productivity. AGMP helps optimize the app for peak performance and robust governance, even in offline scenarios. Think of nonprofits building essential donation tracking tools without needing dedicated developers. AGMP provides the necessary guardrails to keep costs low and maximize their impact. Power Apps truly empowers business users, often called citizen developers, to solve problems quickly and efficiently. Meanwhile, IT departments maintain crucial oversight, ensuring compliance and security. With AGMP Consulting, your teams don't have to navigate this journey alone. We accelerate the journey and ensure that your solutions scale effectively with your growing needs. Because it's built on Microsoft's robust cloud infrastructure, Power Apps inherently benefits from enterprise-grade security. It also offers comprehensive compliance features and robust governance capabilities. Admins have the power to manage who builds apps, enforce critical data loss prevention policies, and monitor usage. All these administrative functions are easily accessible through the Power Platform Admin Center. AGMP Consulting adds an extra layer of protection and expertise. We meticulously audit your environment, set up robust governance frameworks, and ensure innovation happens safely. This proactive approach prevents the creation of shadow IT and maintains control. In short, Power Apps effectively bridges the gap between innovative ideas and tangible solutions. Whether you're automating manual work, digitizing complex processes, or experimenting with advanced AI capabilities, Power Apps provides unparalleled speed and flexibility. At AGMP Consulting, we are dedicated to helping organizations like yours innovate faster. We integrate your systems securely and scale your solutions smarter with the entire Microsoft Power Platform. So, the next time you find yourself thinking, I wish we had an app for that, remember this. With Microsoft Power Apps and the expert guidance of AGMP Consulting, you can build it today.